If you own a home in the city of Norfolk, Virginia, this market update could impact how much you can sell your home for in the next 90 days. I'm Doug Wolfe, a local real estate broker here in the city of Norfolk, Virginia, and here's what sellers need to know right now. Let's start with what's actually happening in the city of Norfolk's housing market. These aren't headlines, these are actual real numbers. All right, let's get right to the numbers. Looking at the city of Norfolk, Virginia, comparing it from December of 2025 to December of 2024. Of course, there's trend lines in between. And then we've got another column for November of 2025. 314,000 is our median sales price. And you can see that number's down a little bit from the 315,000. It's not a big drop, but it certainly is not an increase. In the city of Virginia Beach, if you take a look at that video, that's an 8% versus the negative 0.3% for the city of Norfolk. Remembering, though, that it is a median sales price, right? This shift matters a little bit because it changes how buyers negotiate and how sellers should price their properties, and understanding, we're not in 2023, 2024. We're in 2026 now, and looking at December's prices, they're not skyrocketing through the roof, right? They're starting to level out a little bit and maybe on continuing to decline 3.5% versus November of 2025, right? Biggest mistake I'm seeing that sellers make in the city of Norfolk right now is overpricing their home just to see what happens, and what actually happens is buyers skip the listing, the home sits, and sellers end up chasing the market down. So that's not good. Homes that are priced correctly from day one are still the ones selling the fastest. Closed sales, closed transactions, 196. That number down 17.6% from 238. Market slowing down a little bit in the city of Norfolk, Virginia. Median days on market, 27. We go back here, it was 24 last December, but boy, look at this. November it was just 19 days, and now we're at 27. That's a 42.1% increase from median days on market. How long does it take to put a home under contract? 27 days. You're still getting full price, though, if you're pricing it properly, right? And what does that mean? Well, if you're thinking about selling in the next 3 to 6 months, the smartest move right now is knowing exactly where your home fits into today's market, and that's where, not where you hope it fits, but where it actually does fit. You need a market analysis specific to your property, right? Median sold dollar per square foot, $202. New listings on the market, 221. Look at this. A year ago, it was 238, right? So we're kind of holding our own. It was this high. Look at this. We had 449 in March new listings come on the market. What does that tell you? That tells you that, in May. That tells you in Norfolk, you're going to have a lot of competition, in the May area, springtime, leading into summer, what have you. Active inventory, 521, same thing right here. It's telling you, you can see that there's more homes on the market in this time frame, right? May, June, July, September, even into October, right? And then it starts to fall off a little bit. But active inventory, 521. Month supply of inventory, how long would it take to liquidate our current inventory if everything else remained the same? 2.7 months of inventory. That number gets into the threes. We're going to be looking at possibly a normal market, not a seller's market, not a buyer's market in the city of Norfolk, Virginia. So be sure to check out our other videos, the Virginia Beach City channel, as well as the Chesapeake channel. And it'd be great if you could subscribe to the channel and like the channel. I sure would appreciate it. We're going to be back next month looking at what January of 2026 brings us. Also, if you want to learn a little bit more about Redefy, stay tuned, because we're going to tell you a little bit more about how we handle flat fee real estate for our sellers and save them thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. Make it a great, stay safe out there. We'll be back real soon.
Are you tired of paying high commissions when selling your home? With RedefyFlatFee.com, you have the option of paying a flat fee instead. Located in the Hampton Roads area of Virginia, we offer 100% full-service realtor firm services at a fraction of the cost. Save your equity, save your money with RedefyFlatFee.com. Visit our website today to see how much you can save by using a flat fee real estate company. Take control of your home sale and start saving now.